If you enjoy reading horror thrillers, then this is the book that you should be reading because this is super fast, very quick paced, and you get into the story in no time because this is very quick. It requires not much time, and everything just happens so fast, and it's beginners friendly. So, anyone and everyone can just read this book. And so, the book which I'm going to recommend in today's video is Cabin 13 by author Zach Briner, and this is a book which I read recently and I loved it for how quick it was, and it was very fast paced with so many twists and turns, and it definitely had a very spooky vibe. Also, you can see from the cover that the cover looks super spooky and scary at the same time. Definitely something that draws the attention towards the book because of how it's designed. 10 on 10 for the book cover. But now let's talk about the book, how it is, and first of all, what is it about. So the story is actually about a group of senior year students who go to a Blackwood camp that's supposed to be haunted because there are already so many rumors about it, and the place is supposedly haunted by Sam Blackburn, who goes by the name Shadow Man, who has apparently hunted people in Cabin 13, as is the name of the book. And so these bunch of people go there in the camp, knowing about the rumors, and some of them believe in it, some of them do not, and they're all very excited and they just cannot wait to get there. And so as soon as they reach there, they have all the fun and they're enjoying having the time of their life. So soon after their arrival in the camp, strange occurrences start happening, and gradually, what just started as a fun adventure turns into a nightmare for these people because very soon people start disappearing and they just do not know what's happening with them. Now, the environment is intense and it's very scary for the people, and so those people who are rest, they are actually the in charge, and it's now their duty to unravel whatever is happening in the camp because people are disappearing and no one is able to find them. So they divide themselves in two groups and they try to rescue from there because there's no outside help available, and so they just do not know what to do now because one by one everyone is getting killed and there's no help also. So you can just imagine this scenario and how intense the whole environment could be. So this is like the basic outline of this, and there are definitely so many twists and turns and a lot of fun things that happen. So most of the story we hear from Jack's point of view, but then there are multiple POVs. And for me, even though it was mentioned, for me it was kind of confusing at times that from whose POV I'm reading the book. And so I think the transition was not that smooth according to me. Also, if I talk about the plot definitely sounds very promising. It has potential, but I feel that while executing the plot, it fell flat to me. Like, I was definitely hooked to the book. I was just turning pages after pages and I just wanted to know what's going to happen. But again, if I talk about the thrill part, I think the book somewhere lagged in that, and I was not that thrilled even with the ending of this book. So I feel that there could be more thrill and it could be more intense and mysterious because the plot was actually good. The writing style is simple and smooth and it engages you from the first page. Like I already said, that you will not have a very difficult time getting into the story and now being engaged with it. So the writing style is definitely very smooth and the book definitely keeps you on the edge till the end. And when I was reading this book, I was able to visualize everything and I definitely had a decent experience reading this book. I just felt about that execution part and about the less thrill that was there. Apart from that, I really enjoyed this book and I would recommend this book to beginners, especially because this is easy to read and you will definitely get the thrill, you will enjoy the thrill and the vibes of this book. But for readers who have already read a lot of paranormal thrillers or horror thrillers or thrillers in general, I think they might be disappointed or they might not really enjoy this book as much as beginners would do. So this is it, and the book is available on Amazon. You can get it for yourself. You can share this video with your friends and family members who might be interested in reading the same. And I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Until next time, take care, keep reading.